Good wishes. I'm R.C. Sangeetha, Assistant Professor of Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Valala College of Engineering and Technology. Today, we'll be seeing one of the four pillars of OOPS, polymorphism. Polymorphism means one thing having many forms. In Python, polymorphism allows the same method, function, or operator to behave differently depending on the object or data type. The word polymorphism comes from two Greek words, poly, which means many, and morph, which means forms. There are four types of polymorphism: duck typing, operator loading, method overloading, and method overriding. So let's see what duck typing is. Duck typing in Python is a concept where the type or class of an object is less important than the methods and attributes it has. Let's see an example program. Class. We have given the name cat to it, and we have defined sound where we have said to print cat says meow. Then comes the class dog. The same process is repeated, and we have asked to print dog barks. So def make sound animal, animal.sound, where C is equal to cat and D is equal to dog. Make sound C, make sound D gives us output cat says meow, dog barks. Now, operator overloading. Operator overloading means the same operator behaves differently for different data types. The plus operator adds numbers, joins strings. For example program, print 10 plus 20. Here, addition goes through and we get the output 30. Method overloading. Method overloading means multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. Python does not support true method overloading directly, but it can be achieved using default arguments. For example, we have class demo, where we have defined add self A equal to none, B equal to none, and C equal to none. If A not equal to none and B not equal to none and C not equal to none, print A plus B plus C. Then we have an elif condition. Again, else condition where we have given then D we have called the demo, and D dot add gives D dot add 10. D dot add 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, and our output comes 10, 30, and 60. Now, method overriding. Method overriding occurs when child class provides a different implementation of a method already defined in the parent class. Here we have a parent class which we have named as parent, and defined show self we have set to print parent class. Whereas for the child class we have print child class. C object is equal to child and C dot show. The output comes as child class. Now we'll see the advantages and applications. Advantages are that it improves code reusability, makes programs flexible, reduces complexity, easy to maintain and extend, supports dynamic programming behavior. Applications are GUI applications, software development frameworks. Now let's see a comparison table. All the four types and its meaning. Duck typing. The object behavior matters, not the type. In operator overloading, same operator but different behavior. In method overloading, same method with different arguments. In method overriding, child class changes parent method. In conclusion, polymorphism is a powerful feature of Python OOP that allows the same interface to perform different actions. It improves flexibility, readability, and scalability of programs. By using polymorphism, developers can write cleaner and more efficient code. Thank you.